Okay, so hopefully you have your Google Drive set up, and this is going to walk you through how to get your tool library. So all of the tools that are in our mill, I have already set up for you, but you need to load the library of tools, which has all the speeds and feeds and all the settings into your Autodesk Fusion library. Okay, so before you do anything, you got to make sure you download from Schoology the tool library which I uploaded. So I already did that. So I'm going to show you where I put it. I made a folder on my Google Drive, and let me find it. I just called it Fusion, and I downloaded it. It's called Keychain Tool Library. It's a .json file. So you're going to want to do that first. I'm not going to walk you through that because everybody should know how to download a file and put it into your Google Drive. So make sure you do that. Make sure it's in your Google Drive though. All right. Then you're going to go back to the portal and get into Fusion and get into your file. Now you're going to go over to the design menu and you're going to drop down to manufacture. You're immediately going to notice that all of these toolbars switch to a different view. These are all the manufacturing options for us. So we're going to go over to the Manage button. Before I do that, I'm going to switch my resolution because notice how I don't see my entire screen. So this is back to my tip that I gave you guys. 1280 by 720 is the best way to view through the portal. Now I can see everything. So back to Manage, go back down to Tool Library. So here's what we're going to have. This little browser window opens, and now I already did this, so you'll see the keychain library already here. So this is what you're going to want to get. It's going to have 4 tools, the tool number 5, 9, 4, and 2. So in order to get it to your local account, what you're going to do is you're going to hover over local. You're going to right-click on your mouse, and you're going to import a library. When you click that, because you connected your Google Drive, you're going to see your Google Drive appear. And now you're going to be able to click on it, go to your drive, double-click to open it. Now, this portal can be a little glitchy when it's connecting to the Google Drive, so sometimes you have to kind of wait a little bit for it to see your Google Drive, and I've got a lot of folders, guys, so don't judge. What I've also noticed is that sometimes you have to really wait for it to populate all the folders. You may not have as many as I have. So I'm going to open up my Fusion, and there it is. So I'm going to select it and hit open. And then notice how now I have 2 because I already did this. But there it is. So if I select it, I have now all of my tools, all 4 tools that we'll be able to use for this project. Notice how it shows the diameter of each of the tools. There's also a description. So that is it. Very simple operation. When you're done, you can hit close. And then when you continue on with our toolpath operations, you'll be able to select from that library. All right, thanks for watching.